There's nothing more embarrassing than visitors seeing a broken site while you're working on it. They'll start posting bad reviews on social media, and trust that took months to build will be lost in seconds, all because you didn't take a minute to install the Under Construction Page plugin. Fast, simple to use, and with only the features you truly need, Under Construction plugin won't waste your time. You'll instantly create fun, informative, and user-friendly pages. Visitors will see you have everything under control and return to the site later without feeling frustrated. Predefined themes and customization options allow adjusting the page to fit your needs and branding guidelines. SEO options are included as well to ensure the site is not penalized by Google while under construction. Don't risk your site's reputation by allowing visitors to see it broken. Install Under Construction Page plugin now and swiftly create great-looking maintenance mode, under construction, and coming soon pages.